Hey everyone, Mike Benarian here, with our next installment in our Solutions video series, dedicated to informing the voters of the 40th District where I stand on the issues and what solutions I would put forward if you were to send me to Lansing. Today, we're going to talk about taxes, specifically the state income tax. To begin, let's take a look back at the history of this tax. The Michigan income tax, which began in 1967 at a relatively low tax rate, ballooned throughout much of the 70s and 80s to over 6%. After that, Michiganders had had enough, and in 1999, it was agreed that we would finally settle our state income tax down to 3.9%, providing Michiganders with much-needed tax relief and the state with a much-needed wake-up call for what would be permitted by Michiganders going forward. But in 2008, Governor Granholm was in a desperate need for cash, as she had helped usher Michigan into financial ruin. So she sold us a promise. Allow us to raise the state income tax to 4.35%, and in 5 years, that tax increase would sunset, and we would go back to the low rate of 3.9%. However, 10 years later, that promise has remained broken. So what's the solution? Keep the promise that was made to us a decade ago, and lower the state income tax back down to 3.9%. to provide Michiganders with much needed and deserved tax relief. But when we do this, we also have to be responsible. That means not burdening our state with more deficit and debt. So when we lower this income tax rate to the rate we were promised, we must also have a plan that will make adjustments to our state budget where necessary to make up for this loss in revenue. And these plans should be happening simultaneously. I don't know about you, but I don't trust our government to cut revenue and then make a promise that they'll come back later to make the necessary adjustments to our budget. Providing this responsible tax relief will not only fulfill a broken promise, but it will put more money in the pockets of every Michigander. Thank you all for watching, and please stay tuned for future videos into this video series. And as always, please feel free to reach out to me via social media, via email, or you can call or text my personal cell number anytime with any questions or concerns that you might have. My name is Mike Benarian, and I hope I can count on your support.